Bobby! So this is a recipe for an immunity booster drink that I like to make when I'm starting to feel sick. It helps me recover faster and sometimes even knock out the illness before it turns into a full-on sickness. So for this recipe, we're going to need these ingredients: fresh squeezed orange juice from 3 oranges, organic apple cider vinegar, 1 lime, 3-inch piece of ginger, turmeric, and honey. Start by juicing your 3 oranges. If you don't have a juicer at home, you can just squeeze the oranges manually. Then add your ginger into the juicer. Then add the turmeric. I used fresh, but you can also use powdered if you don't have fresh turmeric at home. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then squeeze juice from half of a lime. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then mix up all the ingredients well. Pour into a larger cup and then shake it before drinking it every time. This should last you about 2 to 3 days if you're drinking it 3 times a day. Another way to boost your immunity is to take oil of oregano capsules 1 to 2 times per day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more content.